Hello everyone. Welcome to my programming channel. In this program, you'll learn to check if a number entered by an user is even or odd. This will be done using if, else statement. In this program, a scanner object, reader is created to read a number from the user's keyboard. The entered number is then stored in a variable number. Now, to check whether number is even or odd, we calculate its remainder using % operator and check if it is divisible by 2 or not. For this, we use if, else statement in Java. If number is divisible by 2, we print number is even. Else, we print number is odd.